Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can install MySQL Server in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, go to this URL. The link is in the description below. You can just click on this URL and you'll be taken here. Now click on MySQL Community Server. Click on this and here choose 8.0.38 or 8.4. That is the latest one. So I'll click on 8.4.1 and you'll get these options. I'll click the first one, that is the MSI installer. Now this is a 64-bit version. Click on this and you can click on just start my download and it will be downloading in just a few seconds. After the download is complete, just click on open file and your installer will open up. Click next, accept the terms and agreement, click next again. And here you'll get options to see what you want to install. You can click on custom and you will see what are the available things that will be installed in your system. I'll go back and click on typical. So this will install most of the things required for you. And now click on install. So MySQL Server installation has started. After a while, if you look down here, this message will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Just click on yes if that is the case. If you are not asked, you'll just process with the installation. Once the installation is complete, this will pop up and will ask you run MySQL configurator and it will be checked. If it is not checked, just click on this and it will be checked. Now click on finish. And now you'll be shown this. Just click on next. This is the default data directory. If you don't have storage, you can click on this and change your directory, but I'll leave it as it is. Now click on next again. And here you will be asked, do you want to change port? I'll leave it at default, no need to change this. Click next. Now here you need to choose your root password. So enter a root password for your MySQL root user. Enter the same password again. Now you can add users if you like. I will not add users now. Just click on next. And you can click on next again. And now you can just click on next for the rest of the thing. And here you can choose if you want to create sample databases. So I'll create this world database so I can show it to you. Click next again. And now just click execute and it will start configuring MySQL. After this is finished, you can just click on next and click finish. Now our MySQL server is installed. What you can do is type MySQL and here you will see MySQL command line client. Click on this and now enter your root password. Now you are inside the MySQL server, so you can type show databases and list of database will be shown. As you can see, the sample database world is also created. You can now do use WRLD and now database world is used. You can now do show tables and the tables in the database will be shown. And now you can run your SQL queries. So we have installed MySQL server and the default MySQL command line. Now you can use Workbench or PHPMyAdmin or any other client to connect to this database server. If you want to see how you can install Workbench, check the link in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.